gets down. She's a professional dancer also and sings. Next month, next episode, they will be singing. Come on. The message board. Yes, the message board for mommy. Let's all get in here. Come on, TP. Thank you. All the DJs we had today. Ooh, it seemed like we had like 8 DJs. They so hot. DJ Rocky Floyd was up first. Then Mighty DJ Turk. And our models are still doing their thing. Yes. Where is the audience? Camera shy. That's all right. Thank you all for coming. You want any information? Email us at oneloveonehouse1@gmail.com. That's the number 1. Oneloveonehouse1@gmail.com.